guys, a new mining site. Like you see, this is the home page of the site. The link will be in description. It's a free site, also an investment site if you want to invest as you like. Like you see, this is the home page of the site. Like you see, this site gives you 100 USDT. This 100 USDT you can work with that. Like you see, after registration and completing your registration, you daily check in. You click in check in, you scroll down, you click in sign in, you get one lucky wheel. You see, I don't get anything. It's not matter. You'll have daily roulette. How it's work after registration. You do this wheel. You get 100 USDT in the site. This 100 USDT we will use to get a cap. This coin is for $0.5 like you see. We go now to pledge. Like you see, this is my cumulative return. Like you see, 6.6 cap. We put our 100 here. Now we choose 3 days return, or you can choose 7 days or 13 days as you like. I prefer 3 days. Now we click in pledge. We click in pledge. Excuse me. It says insufficient balance, but you will try this every time until it gives you 100 USDT returns here. 100%. I will show you. If don't work, don't worry. Every time return do it, you will have your return USDT because I completed my 3 days soon. Like you see, I have one these and one of these. I make two pledge, two investment. Like you see, here you will get your pledge in progress. You put your 100. After the completing, you wait sometimes. You wait sometimes and until 100 USDT returns to your total assets. Then you do like I show you for 3 days. You put your 100 here and you choose for 3 days and click pledge. You wait 3 days, you get your returns like shown here. Here you can convert your ACAP to USDT. Like we see, I have 8.6 ACAP. When you click here, you get your USDT here. I have for 2 USDT. Here you will find your assist. I have 10 ACAP here. Like you see here, Lighten transfer. You convert your ACAP to USDT. In convert to throw coins, you need your 10 USDT. You need 10 USDT. It's simple. Like I told you, when you reach 10 USDT, you can withrow. Like I told you, this is my balance. You work in pledge here every time. You just need, after completion of pledge, wait until your 100 investment returns to total assets, and then you put your 3 days pledge. Like you see, this is my returns. You work like that until completing $10. Then you convert all your pledge or your ACAP here. Like you see, we have 8.6 for two. We get $4. Then we need 20 ACAP to get like you see. Let's do like that. If we, like you see, we need 20 ACAP. We'll use the pledge always to get our ACAP and convert it. After that, you can withrow here as shown below. Also, you can deposit in the site if you want to deposit. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. Also, there is a trick. After completing the pledge here, you return to home page. You click here in benefits to be claimed, to claim your ACAP in your account here. This is our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.